Okay folks, a quick video. This is a second take because a helicopter went over on the first one. This is a Tsunami 2 decoder with the EMD sound set. I have an iPhone 4 speaker in the rear of the locomotive back here. The enclosure is cut off about a ½ an inch so it fits in. This is an Atlas yellow box. It works really well. There's a perfect spot for just mounting the speaker where it stays clear of everything. Very simple install. So I'm going to do the startup sequence. I'll run it up to notch 8 without moving it, and then I will do the shutdown. Okay, it is started up. Now I'm going to run it up to notch 8. Headlights on. Okay, now I will notch it down. Okay, and I'll do the shutdown. Hopefully the microphone on this iPhone, or on this Android phone, gave a little clarity to it. I've added some extra bass to it via the equalizer settings on the Tsunami 2. Gives it a little bit more depth. I might have to back it down. The more I listen to it, I think I will. But overall, I am very impressed with the sound set. And the install went very well. And I've run this thing around my layout for quite some time, and it did very, very well. Thanks for watching.